person with a black and with a white shirt and a black vest crosses in front of me, and a white motorcycle comes around the corner as I'm going down Buena Hills. Alright, so let's review. I come down Buena Hills where I am habitually gang stalked as I exit my development. A person with a black vest and a white shirt crosses in front of me, and then a white motorcycle comes around the corner. White is the predominant color in government gang stalking. Black is the second most frequent color used in government gang stalking. Now I want to make clear, I'm not saying that the person with the white shirt and black vest was a government gang stalker, or that the person with the white motorcycle is a government gang stalker, but I do want you to notice that the street is completely empty except for people wearing gang stalking colors or driving a white motorcycle. And I never say individuals or gang stalkers. And the first cars to pass in front of me are a black one and a red one.